we have Anna from Perx. So Perx is a customer data and loyalty platform, and they're trying to enable enterprises to unlock new revenue as well as engage their users. Please welcome Anna.
Good morning, everyone. The average lifespan of a large enterprise today, or actually back in the 50s, was 61 years. In 2018, it was assessed to be 18 years. And think about what the future will hold for most of the large enterprises. 75% of the S&P 500 will not exist and will be replaced in the next 7 years. That means in this room, at least 75% of you guys will actually be in a different sector. And so when we look at the combination of super apps and all these other GAFAs and FANGs, the disruption is everywhere. Razer just applied for a virtual banking license. With 70 million customers, they're actually taking probably the next few months to actually acquire millions of customers, where banks actually took decades to acquire millions of customers. So how do you embrace disruption and actually generate revenue innovation models around technology partners? And so when you look at Perx, a B2B enterprise SaaS platform, we've been powering these different marketplaces as well as rewards and lifestyle apps. And we're the back-end platform to enable them to redefine their customer engagement strategy, not just building a loyalty program. Unfortunately, most large enterprises have been focusing on acquisition, and 70 to 80% of it is sunk into click-throughs, vanity metrics, and impressions. And then also standing up a loyalty program will not actually solve your engagement strategy. The whole point is, what are you doing with your existing base of millions of customers? And one of the largest banks that we're working with right now is paying more in managing the legacy loyalty management system than in the loyalty program itself. 80% of loyalty programs fail within the first 2 years because they're completely static and managed by the back-end operations and procurement team. So we're innovating not just from the B2C standpoint for large enterprises, but we're helping them actually create an ecosystem to help them become a solution provider for their large enterprises. And when you look at an example, if a marketing team actually stands up an ad hoc campaign, they have to figure out what kinds of segments and data points they have to go after, and they have to identify the user experience. How do I want to engage my customers? Do I have the right rewards mechanics? If I don't, how do I acquire those rewards? And then lastly, you have to get the approval. This spaghetti plate mess takes 12 plus weeks to execute one ad hoc campaign. With Perx, our gold standard is minutes. You can execute a campaign, gamify the experience, and launch and set up rewards, and we manage everything from a last mile perspective. We're solving last mile engagement touch points. And this is the loyalty platform. It's a plug-and-play, API-driven, built on the cutting-edge microservices layer, and you can actually execute within 24 hours or a few weeks into your native apps. And these are our customers and investors. Every one of them are live on our platform and proven ROI within the first few weeks of engagement with Perx platform. And these are some of the metrics. Thank you very much.